I'm usually a Gerber fan. Couple of good products, good quality for the price you pay, usually. But with this one, not worth it at all. And I'll show you why. So, Gerber dime, hate review. I have this for 2 years. So from day one, first thing, the little knife, there is no way to open it. And this is straight from the box. So that sucks. Pliers. One hook out of the fish's mouth, completely busted. These little scissors are not bad. The flat screwdriver and this piece right here, no way can get them out. Tweezers, I guess they can be okay to pick some small stuff out of your finger. I usually like Gerber a lot, but with these flaws, basically main tool, 2 of the 3 main tools on this thing are not working. I think that sucks. Look at this. That's weak. And not having a possibility to pull this little knife out, that sucks. Too bad. This is nonsense, really. It has a good beer opener. It looks nice, but really, those flaws. Nicest part of it is really these small scissors. They can actually cut, but 2 of the 3 main other tools are a bust. Honestly, really too bad, Gerber. Because this one, even some of that Chinese made stuff would be better than this.